Okay.
Okay, Chip. The next step is to actually start using the app. So to summarize from last time, we set up a single room, Stanford Cafe, and we created two visitors. Each one has the app, the visitor app running on their phones individually. One's named John Doe and the other one is Michael. It doesn't matter what you use for a name. You can use your own name if you want to. You can use a nickname. You can put any string you want in there. We just, for your purposes, we recommend you use something that you're going to recognize next time. Okay, so now we have those set up. So we're going to have,
Michael, I
yes,
think
yeah.
it'll be interesting to look at the visiting record of Stanford Cafe just to see that it has a record of Michael and John.
Well, it does once they have entered the room.
Okay, fine.
So the first
Yeah.
thing we're going to do is open the Stanford Cafe. And we're going to check out and see. Okay, good, we're open. And now since we're open here, it should show up for both visitors, and it does, Stanford Cafe. And then it comes down here to the check-in box. You click that, and now John Doe has entered the Stanford Cafe. Over here, Michael's got the same thing. See, Stanford Cafe is already there. You pick it, you check. Oh, we were checked out before, so we have to check in twice. And we can delete the other one. That was a vestige from the earlier,
Previous demo.
yeah,
Yeah.
from the previous demo. All right. So essentially, and you notice that I was able to delete these things. I wouldn't recommend it unless you know you need to, because this is the record of how the system has worked over the last 14 days. So if anybody's going to be held accountable, this is going to be the data they go to see if somebody got warned or not. All right. And that happens for both the visitors and the rooms. So if you look in here, you'll see, again, we don't need that departed one because Michael just, for our purposes, Michael just entered there for the first time, and so did John Doe.
Yep.
He's right there. He's entered for the first time.
Yep.
All right. So that's as simple as this normally is. You can then go to another room if it's open. You can you can add another name if you want to, like a family member, and then you can check them into the same room at the same time. And if anybody ever warns, then you're going to be the only one that sees the warning, but you're acting on behalf of your sibling or your family member. And
Okay.
everybody's going to know. If you know, everybody else in your family is going to know that you're exposed. So
shall
that's
we
the next,
pause for the next recording when
yeah,
you issue the warning? Yeah.
yeah. The